Y'all talking a lot of this, talking a lot of that, telling us we this, telling us we that. Yeah, nah, nigga. They tried to tell us that we ain't shit, but we made it. They held us back. We take shit and see hatred. I peeled it back, green blazing to keep patience. They killing blacks, keep saying we'll see greatness. We selling crack, feed these kids, that shit makes sense. We swelling stacks, can't make cheese, then we ain't friends. To hell and back, teach these kids we need pay rent. Through jealous acts, you lose respect or lose your head. I'm selling raps, reach these kids ain't dance, defending facts. Keep me near the priest I dread. They told us that we all slaves, that shit you said. We enter mad, hungry as hell, you feed us bread. We need a cleanse, we need a Benz, 40 in the mule, my guy. We need to spread. We out here trying to get it. Hope we never see the feds. Never see the feds.
Let's go. Look, they said that we ain't shit, but they just told us that. Then they gave us information that will hold us back. Reclassified our culture to a color when they called us black. Outlawed our shackles, then them chains, then they sold us crack. Sell it all. And it was dope and smack before that. Disco and rock and roll way before rap. See, we honed that, they stole that, they cloned that, they said they own that. Then they made up their own facts. Fuck the school system, they don't prepare you for the future. Fuck them textbooks, they don't teach you about the Haitian Revolution. They don't teach you Marcus Garvey or holistic living. All they teach is math and science, they don't ever mention Kemet or the Moors that lived in Venice, or the things that they invented, like algebra and fine dine linen, bathing systems. See, the texture in my culture said I'm raised different. See, I might wear chains, I'm not your slave, nigga. I'm not your motherfucking slave. So behave.